Hi guys, it's Lita. So anyway, this is one of the most requested videos that I've ever gotten requests about. People were wondering what I use for my hair and face stuff. So I'm going to do that today, I guess. Anyway, so I'm going to start with hair because that's actually the more requested thing. It's more basically just, Lita, what do you use to get your hair this color, or what do you use to get your hair healthier, because it has gotten really healthy since past couple months. Anyway, so a lot of this stuff is stuff that I've recently started using. For this, a lot of people ask me how I get white hair like this, and honestly, it's just this stuff. Like, this is I don't know, I wouldn't really recommend this brand, but basically stuff like Shimmer Lights brand. It's basically just like purple toner shampoo, and also Virgin Snow by Manic Panic works, but I think the shampoo works a little bit better, and you just leave in your hair for like half an hour to an hour, and it like turns your hair like white, and then you just wash it out. So this silver gray shampoo stuff works amazingly for white hair. And also if you like dip your pinky in some blue dye, and then dip your pinky in some purple dye, and then mix those together, and then put a bunch of conditioner in it, it dilutes it to like a light blue silver, and then you can just put that in your hair and dye your hair like normal, and it'll make it like a silvery color, more silver than this. But also for people asking how you bleach your hair to like a light enough thing, I use Quick Blue by L'Oreal, and usually 40 volume bleach developer, which is kind of risky, but especially if you have healthy hair, like if you've never dyed your hair before or something, then you should be fine if you just deep condition it a lot, which I'm going to get to now. What I do to deep condition my hair and like repair it and stuff, I don't have any actual deep conditioner right now, but I use argan oil conditioner, which argan oil anything is really like a miracle. So I use this kind. It's One and Only Argan Oil Moroccan Argan Trees Moisture Repair Conditioner. This stuff is amazing, and anything by this brand, One and Only, I think it's all argan oil, but anything by One and Only is like amazing, because yeah. And I also use this stuff, which is actually kind of pricey, and my mom got it for me, and I was like, ah, Christmas. But this is Moroccan Oil Treatment. I'm not sure what the brand is. I think it's just M. I don't know. It just has a big M on it. But this stuff you just like put in your hair and rub it in and stuff like that after you wash your hair. And then I put this Glimmer Shine spray on by the same brand, and it's basically just like a spray that you put on after you shower your hair or wash your hair, or I think you could also do it while it's dry. So yeah, these two probably the key to keeping my hair awesome or like soft and stuff and healthy. And also for growing my hair, because it has, like, for example, in the past 3.5 weeks it's grown this much, and I measured it this morning actually, and it's like that much below an inch, so it's grown like an inch in this month. And I take biotin pills, which help your hair grow like crazy, and I also eat a bunch of protein, which is kind of hard when you're a vegetarian. You know, just there are protein supplements and protein shakes and protein, there are like veggie meats that have a bunch of protein in them. Then getting on to skincare, basically this is the only thing I use, which is just Garnier exfoliator stuff. And basically what it just does is I use it to take off my makeup, and it keeps my face clean. So I think that's pretty much it. But that's all the stuff that I use. That's really it. But yeah, like I was actually looking on my mom's phone yesterday, yesterday, and I found a bunch of pictures from earlier this year, like probably 4 months ago, when I was still like bleaching my hair and stuff, and it was ridiculous because I didn't realize how much my hair grew and like how dead it actually was. and it was so dead. Like, I could hardly look at it. I was like, ah, that was my hair. I feel so bad. But now it's like, I'll actually take out my extensions on camera and show you guys. I've also stopped using glue-in extensions, which really helped my hair to grow, because I guess the glue that I was using kind of clogged my hair from growing, which, you know, isn't generally a good thing. So I stopped using that and started using clip-ins, which is actually much easier too, because I can just pop them out at night and that's it. So that's it. But yep, this is my hair now. It's like getting really long and healthy and stuff, and I just, yeah. So that's my hair now, thanks to all this stuff that I just showed you and stuff. And also for the place that I get my extensions from, they're like, these are, I cut them, like, this is about half the length that they were when I got them, and they were actually down to my hips when I first got them, but they're probably the highest quality extensions I've ever had, and they're human hair. And basically they were 26 inches when I got them, and I've had these for probably 3 months, and they're $60 on minihouse8888.com, and I'll put the link in the description for it, but they're really good. So yeah, it's nice not having to replace them all the time. Anyway, so that's kind of my beauty video. It's my short hair. But it's really, I forgot how nice it is to like have short hair and be okay with it, so it's nice. Anyway, so itchy. I had one more thing I wanted to show you. That, yeah, I got a new tattoo yesterday, and he's kind of goopy right now because I have some Aquaphor on him, but this is my David Bowie tattoo. It's basically dedicated to him because he just doesn't really care what people think of him. And so this is my David Bowie tattoo. And I wanted to thank Melvin for doing my tattoo, because you're freaking a goddess, Melvin, and you're gorgeous and I love yous. Alright, I'll see you guys later, and I hope you liked my little beauty video. I've never done one before, so I hope that was okay. Okay, anyway, I love you guys, and I'll see you later. Okay, bye.